This is a film I did in 1998 called Bird Boy. It was a largely improvised film on my behalf. I didn't like the script, so I just took the ball and ran with it. The writers were forced to follow suit, and we created some magic, baby.
Roll sound. Background. Action.
It's like she just doesn't get me. Is it the hat? Is it the hat? I appreciate the music. I appreciate the music, Jensen, but it's just not making any difference. I've lost my baby. I've lost my Kathy. I mean, it's like as soon as I started wearing this hat, nothing changed about me. Nothing changed. I was still the old romantic Grim. Oh, sorry. I'll use my character name. Nothing changed about me. I was still the old romantic Johnson. It's nothing. Your music's not cheering me up, Bobby. Your music's not cheering me up. It's not doing shit. I miss her, man. I miss her. I miss waking up in the morning, cramming waffles down my gullet and looking at her. And oh yeah. Is it the hat? Is that why she left me? Your music is not helping right now, Jansen. I don't even like Bruno Mars. Jansen, you've been playing guitar for 2 weeks. I don't think you should be out here in public playing it. Jansen, look at me when I'm talking to you. I'm opening up my heart. It's like as soon as I started wearing the hat, she left me. And I'm not taking the hat off. I'm not taking the hat off, Jansen. If there's one thing you know about me, it's I don't take my hats off. Love making, I wear the hat. Breakfast time, I wear the hat. Shower time, I wear the hat. It's Hat City all day. Oh. But I miss her, man. It's like, what the hell? It's like she accepts me. I'm the bird boy, baby.
God, what are you doing?
I'm just improvising.
No, just stick to the script, Grim.
Well, I thought maybe he becomes a bird.
No.
Okay. I'm not... You're saying that for her to accept me, I have to take my hat off? But I'm the bird boy, baby. Yeah!